We start with the latest on the coronavirus outbreak. Just this morning, South Korea reported one additional confirmed case of the virus. For the latest, we have our Kim Jae-hee on the line for us. Jae-hee, what do we know about this latest case?
Devin, the Central Accident Prevention Division said on Tuesday, South Korea's 28th confirmed case is a 30-year-old Chinese woman. The woman was already under self-quarantine when she was tested positive for the virus and is now at the Myongji hospitals. She's suspected to have contracted the virus from an acquaintance of hers, a man in his 50s who was the third person in South Korea to test positive for the virus on January 26th after coming back from Wuhan. So far, the number of people tested for the coronavirus in South Korea has topped 3,600. Of the total, more than 2,700 have turned out negative, and over 860 people are currently in quarantine, waiting for the results of their tests. Out of the 28 confirmed cases in Korea, 4 patients have fully recovered and have been discharged from the hospital.
And Jae-hee, I hear the South Korean government has announced new measures to try and keep the virus out. Tell us more about those.
Right. The Central Accident Prevention Division says that starting today, medical institutions in the country will be able to check whether a patient has recently visited a country that has confirmed coronavirus cases. Starting Tuesday, patients' travel history to Singapore, Thailand, Vietnam, Hong Kong, and Macau will be accessible in hospitals and pharmacies. Japan will be included in the list starting Thursday, and Taiwan and Malaysia will be added starting next Monday. The government has also advised citizens to refrain from traveling to the following 6 countries: Singapore, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, Thailand, and Taiwan. This is aimed at preventing the virus from entering South Korea through countries other than China. Also, starting Wednesday, the government will designate Hong Kong and Macau as contaminated areas and will enforce strict quarantine screening on entrance from those 2 countries. Meanwhile, South Korea's third chartered flight to Wuhan will depart Incheon International Airport at 8:45 p.m. on Tuesday local time to bring back some 170 South Korean nationals stuck in the city. The flight is expected to arrive back in Gimpo Airport on Wednesday morning local time. Unlike the previous flights, South Koreans in Wuhan will be joined by their Chinese family members this time. Once home, the group will be quarantined for 2 weeks at the Joint Forces Military University in Incheon, Gyeonggi-do Province, a 90-minute drive from Seoul. That is all I have at this hour, but I'll be back with more updates in our later newscast. Back to you, Devin.
All right, Kim Jae-hee, thank you for that.